Welcome to English Speaking Practice.
Oliver, I have a problem.
What is wrong?
My presentation is tomorrow.
Okay, and?
The teacher will ask me questions in English.
That is okay. You can speak English.
No, last time I made a mistake.
What mistake?
I said I go to the park yesterday.
Ah, that is wrong.
I know. Everyone laughed.
That is not nice.
It was so embarrassing.
I understand.
I do not want that again tomorrow.
Then let us practice now.
Really?
Yes, sit down. I will help you.
Thank you, Oliver.
The problem is the past tense. That is what we will practice today.
Okay, let us start.
Let us start simple. The verb to be.
Am, is, are.
Yes, in the past, am becomes was.
Was.
For example, today I am at home.
Yesterday, I was at home.
Good. Now, today the food is good.
Yesterday, the food was good.
Perfect. Now, are. Are becomes were.
Were.
Today they are happy.
Yesterday, they were happy.
Excellent. One more. Today we are at school.
Yesterday, we were at school.
Very good. So am and is become was. Are becomes were.
Am and is become was. Are becomes were. Got it.
Good. Now, regular verbs. These are easy.
Easy how?
You just add ed. That is all.
Always?
Always for regular verbs. For example, today I walk to school.
Yesterday, I walked to school.
Good. Today I watch TV.
Yesterday, I watched TV.
Today I clean my room.
Yesterday, I cleaned my room.
Today I finish my homework.
Yesterday, I finished my homework.
So the rule is simple. Just add ed.
Walk, walked. Watch, watched. Clean, cleaned. Finish, finished.
Perfect. You understand it. Now the harder ones. Irregular verbs.
What is irregular?
They do not take ed. The word changes completely.
Oh, like go?
Yes, go does not become goed, it becomes went.
Today I go to school. Yesterday I went to school.
Great. Another one. Eat.
Today I eat breakfast. Yesterday I ate breakfast.
Good. Eat becomes ate. Now see.
Today I see my friend. Yesterday I saw my friend.
See becomes saw. One more. Wake up.
Today I wake up early. Yesterday I woke up early.
Excellent. Wake becomes woke.
So these verbs are all different. I must remember them.
Yes, but do not worry. We will practice them in a story. They will stay in your head. Good. Now let us tell a story about last weekend.
Our weekend?
Yes, use the past tense. I will help you.
Okay.
Start with Saturday morning.
On Saturday morning, I woke up late.
Woke up. Good. Irregular verb. Go on.
I went downstairs.
Went. Past tense of go. Perfect.
Mom was in the kitchen.
Was. Past tense of is. Keep going.
She made breakfast.
Made. Past tense of make. Good.
We sat together and ate.
Sat. Past tense of sit. Ate. Past tense of eat. Excellent.
After breakfast, I washed the dishes.
Washed. Regular verb. Add ed.
Then I got dressed and went to my room.
Got. Past tense of get. And went again. Perfect.
I did all of that in past tense.
Yes, and you did not stop to think. That is good. Good. Now, Saturday afternoon.
In the afternoon, I met my friend Sophie.
Met. Past tense of meet. Good.
We took the bus to the shopping center.
Took. Past tense of take.
We looked at clothes. I tried on a jacket.
Looked. Regular. Tried. Regular. Good.
But I did not buy it. It was too expensive.
Good. Did not buy. The verb stays in the base form after did not.
Did not buy. Not did not bought.
Exactly. Go on.
We felt hungry, so we found a small cafe.
Felt. Past tense of feel. Found. Past tense of find.
I ordered a sandwich. Sophie had the soup.
Ordered. Regular. Had. Past tense of have.
We stayed there for a long time. We talked and laughed.
Stayed. Talked. Laughed. All regular. All correct.
This is getting easier.
Because you know these words. You just needed practice. Good. Now the evening. Tell me.
In the evening, I came home.
Came. Past tense of come.
Mum and Dad were in the living room.
Were. Past tense of are.
We ate dinner together. Dad cooked.
Ate. Irregular. Cooked. Regular. Good.
After dinner, I went to my room.
Went again. Good.
I read a book for a while.
Read. This one is special.
Special how?
The spelling is the same, but the sound changes. Present, I read. Past, I read.
They look the same.
Yes, but they sound different. Present sounds like read. Past sounds like read.
Oh, I read, red, like the color.
Exactly. Good. Finish the story.
Then I felt tired. I fell asleep early.
Felt. Past tense of feel. Fell. Past tense of fall.
That was my whole Saturday.
And every single verb was correct. Now Sunday. Short version. Just the main points.
On Sunday, I woke up early.
Good.
I drank my tea. I had a small breakfast.
Drank. Past tense of drink. Had. Good.
Then I studied for my presentation all day.
Studied. Regular verb. Good.
And now it is Sunday evening, and I am sitting here with my brother.
Past tense, Lily.
Oh, and now it is Sunday evening, and I sat here with my brother.
Close. You can say, and now it is Sunday evening, and I sat here with my brother, and we practiced together.
And we practiced together, and I felt much better.
Perfect.
So tomorrow, I just tell my story like I told it to you.
Yes. Do not think about rules when you speak. Just tell the story.
What if I make a mistake?
Keep going. Do not stop. The story is more important than one wrong verb.
Okay, let me say all the irregular verbs one time.
Go.
Go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, wake, woke, make, made, sit, sat, get, got, come, came, feel, felt, fall, fell, have, had, drink, drank, take, took, meet, met, find, found.
You said every single one.
I said them all in the story. I just did not notice.
That is how it works. Practice the story, and the verbs come naturally.
Oliver, I think I am ready.
You are ready.
Tomorrow, when the teacher asks me, I will not be silent.
No, you will not.
I will just tell my weekend, like I told it tonight.
Exactly. That's all the past tense is. Your story.